Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our videos, please don't forget to share them. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now today we have come to you with news of Old Bridge Capital Management acquiring 1,64,58,492 shares of a cable services company at Rs 39.50. Morgan Stanley Asia Singapore Private Limited was the seller with 1,79,54,380 shares sold at the same price. Now for those of you who do not know, Old Bridge Capital Management is the firm which has been founded and where Kenneth Andrade is the principal decision maker. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Hathway Cable and Datacom Limited, which is available at 40.10 and the symbol for it is HATHWAY. Now Hathway Cable and Datacom Limited is a holding company. The company is a multi-system operator providing cable television, network services, internet services and allied services. Its product portfolio includes cable television, standard definition and high definition, both of them, and also broadband services. It offers cable television services in over 200 cities and towns. Now if you were to look at the 1-year chart, you would see that this stock has not been a wealth creator. The market cap of the company is 330.28 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 0.59, translating into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 67.97, which is also much more expensive compared to the industry PE of 49.39. The book value is 11.77, which translates into a price to book ratio of 3.41. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is below average at 43.48. Now friends, prima facie, this company may appear to be expensive, but we do not know the reason, which has been taken into consideration by Kenneth Andrade. Now please don't consider this to be an investment advice from us. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.